Alright guys, all finished up. Looking good, smelling good. Waiting on the customer to show up. It's 11:02. And I did start right around 10 because I think I showed up about 10 minutes early. So it took an hour total. Alright, now I'll see you at the next one.
What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step that can change your life like it did me. Don't worry industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be.
Alright guys, at the next house, the count of the room seems fair. 300 for this. As you can tell though, we do got pet problems throughout the whole house. Kind of hard to tell in here, but as you can tell. Yeah. So throughout the whole house needs pet treatment. Now if I don't do a pet treatment on this, I just clean it and that urine smell pops back up. You know, they're gonna lose their deposit, or I think actually they're trying to sell this place. So it's gonna be hard to sell it if it smells like urine. So we need to treat that, okay? We need to treat the stain. The staining's not really apparent, but the smell is going to be the problem. The buyer comes in here and, you know, feels that they need to replace the carpet right away, and maybe they're on a limited budget. That might be a problem. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this customer a call, let her know that I need to add. I do give deals, guys. So there's $40 per room. There's 7 rooms in here. My method is so amazing. I'll probably just charge her for 4 or 5 enzymes. So let me give her a call and see what she thinks. All right, stay tuned. Hey Kaylee, this is Tommy from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning, giving you a call. So here at the place, did a walkthrough, and yeah, the whole house has urine in the carpet. So yeah, there's the whole house needs enzymes pretty much. I won't charge you for those 7 areas though. I'll just charge you for 4 areas and just spread it out, and I think that'll do the job. Because we just don't want to clean this and then there'll be a pet urine smell pop up. And are you selling the place or? The place is going to be going for sale. Yeah, so yeah. Well, so yeah, so it's $40 a room for enzymes. I charge you for 4, so it'd be $160 more. So it'd be $460 total to get this carpet smelling and looking the best as it can. It is pretty old, but we'll get it looking a lot better. All right. Yes. Yeah, no problem. Okay. It's gonna take me. About an hour and a half. It's gonna take total. It's just some extra solutions I gotta put down and agitate it and let dwell and all that stuff. But I'm gonna send you the invoice right now. Go ahead and pay that, and then I'll get started. All right. It's gonna be in your email. If you didn't get it, give me a call. All right. Okay, sounds good. All right. Talk to you later. All right, guys, so that was it. You know, that's me notifying the customer. She had no problem with it, and like I said, it's gonna take me about an hour and a half. It's gonna be $460. And I want to put down my starting time. I haven't did anything yet. I'm gonna mix up my solution now. It's 11:41, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up a cocktail.
Not the type that you drink, the type you clean with.
So, a nice, thorough pre-spray. So when I'm done doing this, I'm gonna go through here with the CRB. That way I make sure the pre-spray, the pet treatment, the peroxide, the deodorizer is really agitated into the fiber. I'm gonna do that from the get-go. I mean, before I pull out any of my hoses or anything like that. I didn't vacuum this job. It doesn't need vacuuming, but before I do this, if it needed, I would do a good vacuum. All right, so I'm gonna go continue to spray the rest of this house. Stay tuned. This whole room really looks tons better. All this illumination, majority of it's gone already. So I'm gonna go through here and I'm gonna do a pre-scrub. I'm gonna scrub this whole area and this whole house real quickly. Not. It's gonna take me 10 minutes with my CRB and just agitate everything in. And the last thing I'll do is start pulling out all my hoses and clean. Stay tuned. Okay, quick walkthrough with I got my spotter kit. It's got everything I need to remove specialty stinks. Okay, I do see some red here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this red with my red zone, or whatever artificial red remover you have. There's a lot of different brands of this stuff. All works about the same. It's either it'll come out with the spray as it sits, or you steam it out, or you do a post spray on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and just hit it with the pre-spray. Let's see, here's some more. Let that dwell. I may just bring out my little steamer and just knock those out, but usually that'd be $40 to take that out. But since the customer's not here, sometimes I like to give. Law of attraction, you give, things start coming back to you. So don't be stingy in this. I mean, definitely don't do work for free, but if you can do something really easy and quick, it's really gonna maybe let the customer give you a great review or something like that, or you know, tips and all that. So, all right, good. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below, all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. All right, all finished up. Looks pretty good. Good as it's gonna get. Some stain in there I couldn't get out. I'll let the customer know that. Most of the stain I did get out. The red I did try to steam out, they wouldn't disappear. Permanent. Nothing you can do about it, guys. Must have been treated with something to set the stain. Because I steamed it for a while and it didn't want to move. All right, stay tuned. All right, the time is 1:08. About 10 minutes to wrap everything up. So I'll say 1:15. You do the math, guys. And she did leave a $20 tip, so total was $480. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up, call it a day. Have some lunch. See you in the next one.